Surprise, motherfucker.
Hi, yo clubbers in Dubai. I'm gonna be at Retox Laugh Al Basha Holiday on 28th September. Hope to see you all there. It's gonna be crazy. DJ Man Bless.